All right, we've got crude oil following through on its bull breakout of a flag yesterday. But first, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So this bull flag that we've been talking about for a little while now broke out yesterday and followed through today with a break above the top of the flag right here and a breakout above this interim swing high right here at 71.79. And it looks like it may confirm that strength by closing today above that interim swing high at 71.79. If it does that, it increases the chance that it's going to reach some of these higher levels. There's several higher target zones. The first one being around the 73.12 area, which completes an ABCD pattern, which I'm using in replace of the technical flag measurement. You can also do that if you want. And then the next level is up here around 74.29. And then there's a zone up here around 75.78 that includes the blue 200 moving average and the top boundary line for a large symmetrical triangle and the bottom boundary line for a large symmetrical triangle. So the other thing we're keeping an eye on here is that there's a breakdown of the symmetrical triangle in early September and then a quick rebound and the potential for a failure of that breakdown as the rally went several kind of deep into that triangle before finding resistance around the 200 moving average and then turning back down. And you can see since then there's been consolidation below resistance, which in general by itself is bearish. Okay, so we could get a bounce up into these resistance levels, but the dominant trend is bearish, and crude could still face downward pressure and still fall through to the downside after this symmetrical triangle breakdown. The other side of the equation is that this was a precursor of what is to come, and since there's been no downside follow through, maybe we get a reversal and a failed breakdown. And in that case, we could see a sharp move through the top of this triangle and a rally from there. So we got a little ways to go before that might happen, but that's something to consider as crude oil continues to evolve its patterns. All right, that is it for crude traders. Happy New Year to everyone, and I'll see you next year. Take care.